One of the objections raised is that if Imam Ali believed in the legitimacy of his own leadership, why did he remain silent in the face of the caliphates of Abu Bakr, Umar, and Uthman and cooperate with them? The response to this objection must first consider the political circumstances of that time. Imam Ali refrained from direct conflict in order to preserve the unity of the Muslim community and prevent division and civil war. However, his silence was not an endorsement of the caliphates of others. Imam Ali never relinquished his belief in his own right to lead, and on various occasions he pointed out that the caliphate rightfully belonged to him. One such occasion was during the Shura, Council of Six, which was formed during the Caliphate of Umar to choose the next caliph. In that council, Imam Ali clearly stated that the caliphate was his rightful position. However, Imam Ali decided at that time to avoid internal conflicts and maintain greater Islamic interests. His silence was not an endorsement of the caliphates of Abu Bakr, Umar, or Uthman, but rather a strategy to prevent division and bloodshed. He understood well that any public confrontation or opposition could harm the Muslim community. In conclusion, Imam Ali's silence in the face of the caliphates of the first three caliphs was not an approval of their leadership, but a deliberate measure to preserve the unity of the Muslims and avoid larger crises.